Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're exploring one of the biggest, and often overlooked, threats to wildlife, habitat fragmentation. You've probably heard about deforestation, pollution, and climate change, but habitat fragmentation quietly affects thousands of species every single day. Let's break down what it is, why it's so serious, and what can be done to fix it. Imagine a vast forest full of life. Birds, tigers, monkeys, insects, all living in balance. Now, imagine roads, cities, and farms cutting through it. What used to be one large connected habitat becomes several smaller patches of land. That's habitat fragmentation. Animals that once moved freely to find food, water, and mates now find themselves trapped in isolated pockets, separated by human-made barriers like highways, fences, and farmlands. At first, it might not seem so bad. The animals still have trees, right? But here's the catch. Smaller disconnected habitats can't support large or healthy populations. Species that need wide territories, like elephants or tigers, start to struggle. They can't find enough food or space to roam. Worse, when animal groups are stuck in different patches, they stop interbreeding, which reduces genetic diversity and makes them weaker against diseases or changing climates. Fragmentation also increases edge effects, where the outer parts of a habitat become hotter, drier, and more dangerous, unsuitable for animals that depend on deep forest cover. In many places around the world, highways slice right through forests. For instance, elephants in Asia often cross busy roads to reach water sources, and sadly, many don't make it. Big cats like jaguars and leopards are forced into smaller hunting grounds, leading to conflict with humans and livestock. Even small creatures like frogs, butterflies, and birds suffer when wetlands or woods are divided into isolated patches. When wildlife loses its home, it's not just their problem, it's ours too. Healthy connected habitats clean our air, store carbon, regulate water, and keep ecosystems balanced. When those systems break down, we feel the impact through climate change, flooding, and loss of natural resources. Protecting wildlife habitats means protecting the planet we all share. The good news? There are solutions, and they're already working in some places. Wildlife corridors and green bridges help animals cross roads safely and connect separated habitats. Reforestation and sustainable land planning can rebuild the missing links between ecosystems. And you can help too. By supporting conservation projects, spreading awareness, reducing waste, and making sustainable choices that reduce land pressure. Habitat fragmentation might be one of the quietest dangers to wildlife, but it's also one of the most fixable. If we act now, every tree planted, every connected corridor, and every voice raised can help restore balance to the natural world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more wildlife and nature content. Together, we can make sure animals have the space they need to live, roam, and thrive.